Hello, dance class. How's it going? We are in week 5. Hopefully, you guys have gotten outside and focused a little bit on your mental and physical health. We are going to continue with the same theme of our mental and physical health, and we're going to do our mindfulness exercise this day on Wednesday. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to focus on our self-care strategies that are good for our mental and physical health. We have done this before, but we're going to be doing as individuals today. We're going to focus on meditation, think deeply, and focus one's mind for a period of time. We want to be in silence, or it could be a guided meditation. A variety of different reasons that you would do this is for religious or perhaps spiritual purposes as a method of relaxation. In other words, we want to think deeply and carefully about something. How do we meditate? Well, when we meditate, we inject far reaching and long lasting benefits into our lives. We're going to lower our stress levels. We're going to know our pain. We're going to connect better. We're going to improve our focus and we're going to be kinder to ourselves. When we do this, when we pay attention to our breath, when we're learning how to and return to and remain in the present moment, we're just going to anchor ourselves in the here and now on purpose without judgment. Our assignment, we're going to continue to focus on our self-care strategies for mental and physical health. Today, you're going to find a spot where you can sit or lay down and somewhere where you have access to the internet where you can play the happiness meditation. It's a guided meditation for positive energy. So once we do that, go ahead and click on the YouTube. It'll take us to the guided meditation. So from here, it'll take you into the guided meditation. It's about a 21-minute meditation. Find a quiet spot where you can hear it. And then you're going to answer response questions. Again, with our meditation, it's focusing on you and being in the present moment. I hope everybody's doing well. I miss you guys and take care of yourself. Have a good day.